How to view your history on Shein application. Are guys facing issues to view your history on Shein app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Shein application on your mobile device. Once you open the Shein app, now log in into your account with a registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the right bottom of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you can see multiple options over here. Just tap on history. After you click on history, your recently viewed items will be shown. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to view your history on Shein application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding Shein application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.